Stomach 40 is located on the midpoint of your lower leg. Locate stomach 40 on your left leg by placing your little finger over your ankle bone and your other little finger in the little indentation at the base of your kneecap. Where your thumbs come together is the midpoint. Take a spot that is about 2 finger widths to the side of the center. Press in there. There's going to be a tender spot. That is stomach 40. Activate stomach 40 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, then take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Next, find stomach 40 on your